Anchovy is a small, oily fish that is commonly found in the Mediterranean and Black Sea regions. Although often used as a topping on pizzas and salads, anchovies can also be cooked and served as a main dish. They are packed with nutrients and can be prepared in a variety of delicious ways. Nutritional benefits. Anchovies are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart health and brain function. They are also a good source of protein and contain several essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, vitamin D, calcium, and iron. Cooking methods. Anchovies can be cooked in a variety of ways, including grilling, baking, frying, and sautéing. They can also be used in stews, pasta dishes, and soups to add flavor and nutritional value. One popular way to prepare anchovies is by grilling them. To grill anchovies, simply brush the fish with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Grill the fish for a few minutes on each side until they are cooked through and slightly charred. Grilled anchovies can be served with a side of grilled vegetables or a simple salad. Another popular way to cook anchovies is by frying them. To fry anchovies, coat the fish in a mixture of flour, breadcrumbs, and spices, and fry in hot oil until they are crispy and golden brown. Fried anchovies can be served as a main dish with a side of roasted potatoes or as an appetizer with a dipping sauce. Calories. One serving of grilled anchovies, approximately 100 grams, contains approximately 130 to 150 calories, depending on the preparation method and any added seasoning or sauces. A serving of fried anchovies, approximately 100 grams, contains approximately 200 to 250 calories, due to the added oil and breading. While fried anchovies are delicious, they are also higher in calories and fat than grilled or baked anchovies. Grilled or baked anchovies are a healthier option that still provides plenty of flavor and nutritional value. Overall, anchovies are a delicious and healthy fish that can be prepared in a variety of ways. Whether grilled, fried, or used in a pasta dish, they are a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal. Another popular way to enjoy anchovies is by using them as a flavoring ingredient in sauces and dressings. Anchovy paste or chopped anchovies can be added to tomato sauces, salad dressings, and even homemade mayonnaise to add a salty, umami flavor. Anchovies are also commonly used in Mediterranean cuisine to flavor dishes such as tapenade. A spread made from olives and anchovies, and